Good morning, young Groms. Despite having a full day of surgery ahead of me, I am starting off the day with some surfing, with some Magic Mind, and an early morning sunrise. We're on the absolute race right now. It's like 5:27 in the morning, and the sunrise is at 5:35. Or sorry, first light is at 5:35, and I have a meeting at the hospital at 7 that I have to get to. So we're gonna try to dawn patrol, except my phone died last night, so I wasn't able to wake up for my alarm. So that's gonna cut our session short for a little bit, but we're still trying to do it anyway. So we are literally on E, if you can see that. And to make matters worse, we're close to the beach, but we're only close because we have to drive on the highway. So I gotta do 5 miles down to the beach and back to get back to right here. Okay, we're still not on E yet. I mean, the check engine light is always on, but luckily we're still not on E and we're making our way down to the beach. You're trying to do 2 pretty complicated things in the morning, like surf and then, navigate my empty gas can and get to work on time and then be focused in a medical school meeting. I definitely recommend Magic Mind. Pretty epic pulling up, seeing this beautiful sunrise. Might only be a 30-20 minute session, but just to see this beautiful sunrise on this drive is worth it. The size of the Magic Mind container is really nice. I don't have to bring a bag down to the beach. I actually brought the little container with me down to the beach this morning because I wanted to drink it right before I went out to surf, so I could help have the effects last until my meeting. And yeah, the waves are really small this day. I brought my GoPro, but I actually lost the GoPro footage. So what I'm gonna do is actually run some GoPro footage of a recent session on my new green board just to keep you guys stoked. And yeah, these waves I would say were actually a lot better, even though they weren't that clean. This morning was just beautiful, so epic being in the water, but the morning I'm surfing right here was a little more choppy, seaweedy, cloudy, but this new 6'9" feels so good. I actually did a little rock and roll floater, and yeah, the board just feels amazing. And yeah, it's actually been a month right now since this video was filmed, and I'm in dedicated study, and I've really been using the Magic Mind. And I actually have a plan to take 4 Magic Mind bottles with me to the test center when I take my step 2, because I found that coffee just makes me way too jittery, and I can take there's 8 sections to the test, so I can take a Magic Mind shot after every 2 sections or something. And right now that's my plan for success. And as I said before, dedicated is so hard because you have to stay focused. Even though you have your whole day to plan, you probably have 18 hours in a day, but what you really need to do is be effective for 20. So there's no way you're gonna study all the information, and there's no way you're even gonna accomplish everything. The best practice is to take practice questions and practice tests, and it's discouraging sometimes when those don't go right, but you really have to treat them as learning opportunities. And on my first pass, I got a lot wrong on UWorld. So I've actually finished UWorld right now, and I'm on my second pass through the material. And yeah, I'm just trying to work hard every day. I'm trying to learn, keep doing questions, keep myself in a questions-based studying, because that's what the evidence shows is effective. And even though we're in dedicated right now, we're just gonna jump back to this part of the video where we're rushing to get to the med school meeting on time during my surgery rotation. So right now I'm in the phase where I'm just rushing to get out of my wetsuit as fast as I can. Absolutely racing right now, and my biggest fear just happened. My low fuel light came on. I'm just trying to be as nice to the gas pedal as possible. This is the best way a human can start the morning. Up early morning light on your face, cold water, exercise, and I'm just in love. It's just the best thing anybody could ever do for their health and just fun. We've made it to the hospital. We're on low fuel. Check engine light stays on no matter what, but I'm hitting some traffic right now. There you go. Thank you. What's up, boys? Sorry. Yo. All right, young Groms, I just finished my 392nd day running. Had an awesome 2 sessions these days. As I said, I'm in dedicated right now. June and July are always like pretty tough months for me, but luckily this year I have Magic Mind taking my boards. So it's about 7 a.m. I already finished my 2 miles and I have a whole day of studying ahead of me. So I'm about to drink my Magic Mind. If you guys want to check out Magic Mind, there's a code below. It's like Lucas20, it'll get you some money off. Super stoked on these Magic Minds. As you guys know, I've been drinking them for a while. I'm gonna keep drinking them. And as always, we will see you on the next swell.
When I walk beside her, I am the better man. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again.